How to use multi-snap on Snapchat. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use the multi-snap on Snapchat. So very firstly, you should go on the Google Play Store. On the top search bar, search for Snapchat. Make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of Snapchat so that you won't miss out on any new features. If it is already done so, then you can simply open your Snapchat and you must follow the following steps for multiple snaps. And the following steps are as follows. What you should do is to take the multi-snap, tap on the plus icon on the camera screen, which you will be seeing it directly. Now you should tap or hold on the camera button. Just hold it for a very long time and repeatedly to take multiple photo and video snaps just like that. So I will show you how you can solve this problem by using the Snapchat. So you can simply tap the Snapchat, tap on your profile. Now if I want to click the photo, now I will tap on the add option. Now I will choose the video. So just like that, tap on preview option. Now you can see there is multiple filters right here. So you can do it just like how I did. I hope this video helped you. If you liked the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.